While Monterey One water customers may soon be seeing their monthly costs double over the next 5 years. Thanks for being here this evening on KION News at 6. I'm Taryn Mitchell. Now, while the agency says it's a much needed increase, businesses are concerned it'll make economic recovery harder. KION's Josh Cristianto has both sides and joins us from Seaside this evening.
Well, I'm outside the Monterey One Water Seaside pump station right now, and this is one of the places that the agency says needs upgrading because of its aging infrastructure. Getting an underground tour of the wastewater pump station in Seaside, you get a sense that things are a little worn down. It's nearly 40 years old, and while the technology in here isn't completely outdated, Monterey One Water says it could be more modernized.
We're in a tough marine environment. You know, the sea salt and the spray, can lead to corrosion of our equipment, and so we need to, make sure that it's in good working order.
The agency says much of their infrastructure is reaching its useful lifespan. Capital reinvestment, improving the agency's financial strength, and meeting personnel obligations like pension payouts are why Monterey One Water says they want to increase the rates on customers over 5 years. According to their website, the rate increases would eventually double the cost per month for sewer services to most customers over that time, after which the board will decide what to do next. The monthly cost per apartment unit right now, for example, is $24.55. If approved, starting July 1st this year, the rate will be $36.05. It'll be $54.45 in 2025.
There has to be a kind of another way to get this need met without such a quick increase in the rates, because it is going to be pretty onerous for almost everybody.
Well, the Pacific Grove Chamber of Commerce says they understand the needs the water agency has, but given the pandemic economy, they worry businesses will end up pushing the extra costs to tourists and residents.
We feel as though, so close to the broad reopening to implement something like this it's going to be tough.
There is still time for the public to weigh in, however, and the agency says they're willing to listen.
We're just trying to get to where we think we need to be as far as, the resources available to fix and address our infrastructure that we have.
And so the public comment period will last until June 7th. That is when the board will have a budget workshop. June 28th is when the board will actually have a vote on the budget, and that's when they'll decide whether to approve this rate increase as well. Reporting in Seaside, Josh Cristianto, KION News Channel 546.